What I love about YAA is that I can be creative and I can express myself. There's no restrictions on what I can do or the ideas that I can have.
You get to meet people that are completely different from you, and yet you have a common problem.
You can design whatever you want. The answers could be anything because nothing's stopping you.
It's a really safe environment that I can be in where I can express my ideas and be confident with them.
I enjoyed creating with new people I have never met before and hearing all about their innovations that they submitted for YAA.
Amazing chance to get my ideas out there.
My favourite part of the workshop was when we all banded together and worked as a team to create a good idea to help solve a problem from our world.
Supporting YAA because I really believe in the opportunity that we have to redesign a very different future, and that should start with young people. Young people are really affected by the concerns around climate change. Some of their concerns around these things are really different from those of us that have grown up in this world, in this linear world that we've helped design and create. We've been hearing today from kids that don't want to walk, don't want to ride bikes because they're concerned about their safety. This is a really new thing for them. They're not like us where we probably rode bikes as a kid and we just need to get back on the bike. This is a new world that they need to reimagine. So YAA provides this incredible opportunity to not only create design thinking skills for the future of work, but to give the kids the tools to apply those to any problem that they're facing. This is the generation that will reimagine and hold us accountable for a very different future.